So how to use F1 TV app. So this is a new app. It's in top charts right now as there are all events in Australia and some other places. You're in the race anytime, anywhere. Stream F1 live so you can watch streams in UHD, build your own multi-view up to 4 feeds, exclusive shows, live timings, build your wall and pit wall. So obviously you need to upgrade, get the race director's view with multi-view for every session, all live in 4K HDR. So this is what you're having. So this is F1 TV Premium and there is F1 TV Pro. That's basically the idea. So there are multiple types of subscriptions. So here you see that there is a schedule. So you can see season. And then if you want to subscribe, here you see the options, yearly or monthly. So there is access, just like $30 per year. That is the cheapest option you have in F1 TV app. Then there is Pro, which is $85 per year, official F1 live. So you have F1 live, kind of just essential. You will have ads. You won't have onboard cameras. You won't have live team radios and all other things, but delayed race replays, you will have it, live timing, tire use and driver maps, best of team radio recaps, exclusive shows, you will have that. Then if you want to upgrade to Pro, you will have stream all F1 sessions ad-free, live and on demand. So this is kind of popular package, and seems there is a free trial in there, and so you have that. And then there is Premium, where you have everything multi-view, build your custom multi-feed view, not available on Android. F1 live in 4K UHD HDR, multiple devices, watch live on up to 6 devices simultaneously. So yeah, that's the idea. So you just need to basically upgrade in here, and then you need to sign in here to create an account. So basically you can't have a free account in here. You only need to upgrade just as it is here. So yeah, that's basically the idea how you can use it. So language, you can select among 6 languages, push notification support, and so that's the idea. Any video you kind of want to watch here, everything requires you to subscribe, unfortunately. So there is no free version in here. Everything is just locked under under upgrade. So this is even some small highlights also hidden. So a bit unfortunate, but hey, yeah, that's how they monetize it. Yeah, everything, all the videos, everything is just maybe some outside links, you can just go in there, but basically you just need to upgrade in the app.